Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this awesome EasyPAG file organizer that I have for my office. My favorite thing about this file organizer is that you can use it in many different ways. You can hang it to a wall, but I also like that the bottom of it is flat. So I use it just standing up on my office desk or on the side if I need a little more space. It's made out of a very nice material. It's like a mesh metal, and it has 5 different levels in the organizer, so you can put different folders. If you're trying to get a file organizer for your office that is very durable, it's going to last you a long time, but it also looks very organized, very pleasing to the eyes. I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.